Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create attendance sheet in Google Sheets. So if you want to do it, first we need to type here a name for our columns. So I select the first cell and I type here name. Then I type here Monday. I click somewhere outside the cell. I click on this cell again. I press and hold left mouse button on this blue dot and I will autofill it to the Friday. So we need to select here F column. Now I need to select first row with the data. I click on fill color and I select here yellow. I will bold the first row. So now we can type here as simple names, for example, Marta, John, Annie, Martin, Natalie, and Mark. And now if we have here the names, we can click on the first cell on Monday. We can go to insert and we can insert here tick box. Then it will be successfully inserted here. So you can press and hold left mouse button on the blue dot and you can move the position to the last row. Now we need to press and hold blue dot again and we need to move it to the last column. Okay, so it has been successfully created here. So now you can check these boxes or uncheck them if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. So it is a really easy way to create attendance sheet in Google Sheets. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.